In this lesson, you will learn to compare numbers using the relation symbols and to order numbers up to 1000 in increasing and decreasing order. Comparing and ordering numbers. Which of the two sets has greater value? Look at the two sets. The first set has 156 boxes, while the second set has 144. Which of the two sets has greater value? The first set has greater value. So, in comparing numbers, first compare the hundreds, then the tens, and the ones place. Let's go back to our examples. We have here again the numbers 156 and 144. Let's take a look at the underlined digit. Does the digits have the same value? Right, they are both 1. Since the hundreds are the same, we compare the tens. Which is greater, 5 or 4? Right, it's 5. 5 is greater than 4. So, therefore, 156 is greater than 144, or we can write it this way. The symbol is read as is less than. It is used when the number on the left is less than the number on the right. Examples: 560 is less than 650. 45 is less than 534. The symbol is read as is greater than. It is used when the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. So in using the signs greater than and less than, the pointed part of the arrow points to the lesser number while the open part shows the greater number. Examples: 872 is greater than 123. So the pointed part here points to the lesser number. So 123 is the lesser number. The open part shows the greater number. So the open part shows the greater number, which is the 872. 902 is greater than 345. The symbol is read as is equal to. It is used when the number on the left has the same value as the number on the right. Examples: 893 is equal to 893. 465 is equal to 465. Now let's try to answer. Compare the following numbers using less than, greater than, or equal signs. So in this activity, you don't need any paper or pencil. Let's just look at the given numbers and tell me your answer. Are you ready, kids? So let's get started. We have 568 Is it equal, greater, or less than 465? 568 and 465. Look at the hundreds digit or the hundreds place. Which is greater? So 5 is greater than 4. So 568 is greater than 465. Very good. Next, 902, is it greater, lesser, or equal to 209? 902, is it greater, lesser, or equal to 209? So the answer will be greater than, because 9 and 2, 9 is greater than 2, so therefore 902 is greater than 209. Next, 831 and 831. 831, is it greater, lesser, or equal to 831? All digits are equal, so they are equal. Next, 102 and 300. 102, is it greater, lesser, or equal to 300? In hundred place, we have 1 and 3. So 1, is it greater or lesser to 3? Right. So 102 is less than 300. Remember, kids, that the pointed part of the arrow points to the lesser, and the open part shows the greater number. Next, 739 and 739, is it greater, lesser, or equal? Right, it's equal because they are the same number. 650 blank 651. So 650 and 651. 650, is it greater, lesser, or equal? Right, it's lesser than 651. How about 456 and 465? They both have the digit 4 in the hundred place. How about the tens place? Look at the tens place. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So 5, is it greater or lesser than 6? Yes, lesser. So therefore 456 is lesser than 465. Next, 599 and 579. 599 and 579. So 599 is greater than 579. 640 and 460. Which is greater and lesser? Is it 640 is greater or lesser than 460? Are they equal? No, because 6 and 4 is not the same. Their hundreds place or hundreds digit are not the same. So 6 is greater than 4, therefore 640 is greater than 460. Very good, kids! When we arrange from the smallest to the greatest, we call it the ascending or increasing order. Look at the numbers below. Let's arrange the numbers in ascending order. To do that, we first compare the position of each number. Let's start from the hundreds place. Which of the three has smallest number? Right, it's 4. Since they are both the same value, let's look at the tens place. 6 and 0. Since 0 is the smallest, so our smallest number will be 406, then followed by 460, and the largest is 640. When we arrange from the greatest to the smallest, we call it the descending or decreasing order. Example: 560, 564, 589. Compare the digit in hundreds place. They are all have 5 as the value of the digit. So let's proceed to the tens place. Can you tell the greatest digit? Yeah, it's 8. So the greatest number is 589. How about 560 and 564? They are both 6. What will we do now? We have to compare the digit in the ones place. 4 is greater than 0. So 564 is our second number and the smallest is 560. Now let's try to answer another practice. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. We will now need to write down our answers. So kindly get your pencil and paper and we'll have to answer this. Are you done, kids? Okay, so let's have the answer. Is your answer correct? So kindly check your answer. Good job, kids! Now let's try. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. In decreasing order, arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, you start answer. Now let's check if your answer is correct. Is your answer correct? Good job, kids! Remember, another way of writing greater than is, less than is, and equal to is. In comparing large numbers, start with the first digits on the left. If they are the same, we compare the next digits and so on. When numbers are to be arranged from least to greatest, or the other way around, begin by reading the numerator